Turn up, bitch.
Hello? Godfather Cancer speaking, nigga.
Hey, bruh. I need you to turn up on
Want
these
what?
niggas, bruh. You heard me, fool? Nigga, you heard what the
You don't
fuck
want
I
shit,
said,
bitch.
bitch?
Bye.
Alright, it's all
Talking
good.
about no motherfucking cash, nigga. Fuck out my line, nigga. All that bullshit you talking, nigga. All that tweet you tweet, nigga. All them tweets, nigga. Fuck you, bro. I'm trying to live my life. Why these niggas acting tough? We so live in the M. You don't need that action, bruh. Pull off in that muscle, leave your skinny ass dragging wet. I don't never waste my time for some shit I'm gon' destroy. Chopper on my fucking side, tell your niggas to deploy. Or I'ma turn your weak gas into a fucking story. I'm so motherfucking clutch. From the 3, I'm robbing Ori. All your hoes wanna fuck, but them hoes can't afford me. Catch me in the fucking back. I'm just smoking, rolling sex. If a nigga talk shit, light 'em up, where the match. All my niggas like lions, all they know is to attack. Heard your new song was whack, heard your last tape was trash. I'm a black smoking nigga, turn your soul into some ash, then pour it back out on your career. Pass minus rap, came in tripping, I'ma need some competition, I'ma turn it down. Artist to a damn listener. Fuck a nigga, man, you is looking at a king. I'll turn your life story right into a wet dream. Why these niggas hate me? Why these rappers hate me? Guess I'm getting to the money on the scene lately. Man, I've been so hot, all these niggas talking shit. I'm a legend in disguise, I'm a Memphis misfit. Bad bitches on my dick, money moves on my list. Broke ass house niggas really talk a lot of shit. Man, I've been so hot, all these niggas talking shit. I'm a legend in disguise, I'm a Memphis misfit. Bad bitches on my dick, money moves on my list. Broke ass house niggas really talk a lot of shit. I've been moving to the work, I've been out here smoking perp. While you sitting at the house watching porn, trying to jerk. I ain't